Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Thursday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're back in Warsaw. Happy to be here just before the Easter holiday. Winston, good to see you. It looks like we're back in spring. When I was leaving, it was snowing. So
yeah, I think it's summer now,
yeah,
Craig. It's great.
it's already went winter to summer. So good to see. Hopefully, it was pretty nice in Ljubljana, but they said next week it's supposed to be snowing there. So we'll see what happens here. Hopefully, no more snow though. Hopefully, we're done with that. Anyway, great trip down there. A few interesting projects going on there. So interesting for retailers, for I think people that companies that are going to need office space down there. Good opportunities there. This is with this eMonica project. Probably the first city center retail shopping center. The other shopping centers are of course doing great, a lot of them, but a little bit out of the center. We're also, like we said, we were talking about our CRE awards, which is in Hungary, covering that region on October 20th. We already have 10 jury members for that. So we've got a couple of the banks. We got PBB Deutsche Pfandbrief Bank on the jury, New Work Offices, Allianz Real Estate. They're doing a lot of investing these days. Fit Out, company doing a lot of fit outs these days with changing over the office and retail. Of course, InPark, another big player on the market there. Wing, and we all know Wing as well. South Rock Asset Management, which was before the founder was doing Blue Capital before that. And then Avison Young also joining our jury. So that's our first 10. So good start. A few international guys, a few big local players. Good to have them on. Also the investment awards, which is October 27th, 1 week later, 3 weeks after Expo Real. So October, big investment month. Big things going on that month. So a lot happening with that one. Of course, sponsors wanting back in, the jury members going big there. So we'll have a lot more information on that. And so now we'll just take a 20-second break and we'll come right back with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief, and the news and the highlights from the Europa Property website. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com. So welcome back, and Winston, good to see you. Good that we're back.
Yeah, all right, Craig.
In the same room.
And we've got the biggest news, I guess, today is Adventum Group have announced that they're going to acquire 18 retail parks in the Czech Republic and Hungary, which were anchored by Tesco. And this is a 360,000 square meter portfolio, so it's a big deal. And this is for their Adventum PENTA Fund. And they got 150 million euros for this acquisition from OTP Bank and Erste Bank.
Okay.
And this is they've been very active, Adventum, lately. They recently acquired the Sky Tower in Wrocław.
Right. We mentioned that 2 weeks ago.
In Poland, and now they've bought this substantial retail park portfolio. And retail parks are very popular with investors in today's market because they're very resilient to the pandemic, and they kind of they're in line with shoppers' needs today. They've got a good omni-channel kind of aspect to them, and they're good last mile, and consumers really like this format today.
Right. Easy to go in, buy things, and get home.
Yeah, and this portfolio, it's going to need some love and care, so they're going to asset manage it and get it up to date, and redo the tenant mix, add all the ESG credentials that modern developments need today. And it's a very big, ambitious project, and I wish them a lot of luck.
Yeah, good.
Moving to Poland and in the hotel market, and Białystok has got a new Mercure hotel. Mm-hmm. This is a new 92-room modern hotel, and it's in the Białystok region, which is like a nice nature reserve up there. It's a beautiful place, and it's a 4-star hotel situated in the centre of Białystok. It's going to have obviously all the usual amenities that hotels offer. It's going to have a big conference room though, with the capacity of 160 people.
Wow.
And nearly 200 square meters. And Sebastian Prujniak, he's going to be the general director of this hotel.
Oh, very good.
Moving to Warsaw, and ShareSpace has secured a deal for Black Tiger Poland in the Karolka Business Park in Warsaw. And this is ShareSpace is a platform, online platform, where tenants can go online and book their office space.
Oh, okay.
It's one of the world's first, apparently. And moving to Romania, and Forte Partners have announced that all their office projects in Bucharest are going to be powered by sustainable green energy. This includes their Milo offices, Tandem, and U Center.
Well, I guess that's also even for today's even economic climate and the problems with, embargoing all the oil and gas and from Russia. Good to be sustainable. Yeah, they'll be the only ones with the lights on.
Yeah. So it's powered by renewable energy. So it's not so reliant on Russia there.
Yeah, good.
And finally, for today, Sony Sierra has won a big contract in Kosovo with Pristina Mall, which is the largest mall in southeastern Europe. It's going to be 239,000 square meters with 115,000 square meters of GLA. So it's a huge project. And Sony Sierra will be obviously organising the 10X mix there, and they've got a lot of work on their hands. Yeah, it seems.
It seems it's about the size of Arcadia up here, I think, or maybe bigger.
I think in that part of the world, maybe they're a little bit behind the curve on the development cycle. Where today we're seeing like this move to smaller, kind of more manageable retail park developments.
So they're like in the 90s, build big,
and they're building
clearly.
Massive. I mean, this is due to come online imminently.
Wow, okay.
Massive, big. But I mean, they are under retailed in that part of the world. So they've gone pretty nuclear here, I think.
Definitely a project we should have at our CEE Retail Awards.
Yeah. Hopefully, if it's still operating next year and all going well.
Yeah, hopefully, yeah, exactly. Well, no reason why not to. It'll be our 15th or 14th Retail Awards, I guess, next year. Yeah.
15th, I think.
Is that all we have for today?
Yeah, that's all the news for today.
All right, very interesting. Yeah, we'll have to do a trip down and take a look at this new super mall. And having said that, well, great. Good that we love it that you're all watching our show. Thank you very much. We got over 8,000, still over 8,000 viewers a week. Even though the weather's so nice, people are still watching us. So good that thank you for watching the show. We hope that you get some information out of it. If you have any press releases, anything like that, send them through to Winston. We'll be happy to put them in. If you'd like to be on the show or sponsor 1 week of the show, let us know. We've got some great opportunities there on the interview side. Over 15,000 people watching the interviews that we can even guarantee now that will watch the interviews. So we're happy to have that. Having said that, we hope all of our friends and business contacts in Ukraine are staying safe and well. We wish you all the best, and we'll meet tomorrow, day before the holidays. Easter's coming up, so enjoy the rest of the day, and we will see you all tomorrow morning. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.